Psychology is a very beautiful subject, in-depth intellectual subject. For many of us, it's a kind of fascination to have psychology in the career profile. Even if we fall into medical science, engineering, or any other streams of education and career, psychology is still one of the attractive course or the domain to understand. So today, the Educated Daily is going to discuss what is psychology and two important and famous education UG format stream, that is BA and B.Sc. So let's start our episode, the Educator Daily Show. Psychology is the scientific study of mind and behavior. So obviously behavioral education or the courses and the mind related education field discuss this particular topic of psychology in depth. Anyone who is interested to know about behavior and mind will be obviously fascinated to understand what is psychology. So American Psychological Association gave a very brief definition of psychology as a study of mind and behavior. And also psychology is a multifaceted discipline that includes many subfields, even the study and areas varying from human developments, sports, health, clinical, social behavior and cognitive process. So today's discussion will be revolving around 6 such parameters where we are going to differentiate between BA Psychology and B.Sc Psychology. So let's start our episode by taking first parameter, which is who can and who shall study, or else what is the eligibility criteria. So for BA Psychology, the candidates need to be a class 12 pass in any stream from a recognized board and should have secured a minimum of 45% to be eligible to go for this course. But when we are coming to B.Sc Psychology, the candidates should have passed their class 12 or PDC or PUC in whichever states of India you belong in science stream from a recognized board and should have secured a minimum of 50% to be eligible. So obviously for B.Sc the eligibility criteria is still ahead from BA Psychology, and BA Psychology is basically for all streams of PDC, PUC or plus 2, but B.Sc is specifically for science students. Now the next parameter is the admission. Admission can be done either through merit or entrance examination for BA Psychology. But for B.Sc Psychology, admission is done through entrance examination, which tells B.Sc Psychology is somewhat competitive and the students filtering criteria is very restrictive when compared to BA Psychology. Now the third parameter is about the focus. So BA Psychology focus goes to psychology and non-psychology field, humanities and social studies related fields and domains. B.Sc Psychology, applied psychology and research psychology, meaning B.Sc somewhat more related to and near to science and mathematics. Obviously applied and a research kind of domains will come in B.Sc format of education. The fourth parameter where we are going to differentiate BA and B.Sc Psychology, that is with respect to specialization. Organizational psychology, child psychology and forensic psychology are very distinct when we are taking BA Psychology. But when it comes to B.Sc Psychology, biological science and research methodology, major specialization for B.Sc Psychology students. The fifth parameter will be related fields for BA and B.Sc. For BA Psychology, sociology or political science or philosophy are related fields to be understood, but B.Sc Psychology, biology, chemistry and calculus. Again stressing that B.Sc is nearer to science and mathematics related field of education and career. Now the sixth And the last difference we are going to see in the career opportunities. So law, journalism, counseling, human resources, social work, health psychology, child and family psychology. Some of the career opportunities, you have B.Sc psychology. You can have clinical psychology, health psychology, cognitive psychology, government, organizational medicine and hospital related career opportunities. So this is somewhat an outline of the difference between BA and B.Sc psychology. And the last difference, which is not included in main domain of discussion, but still as a bonus you can consider the top colleges in India if you are planning for BA or B.Sc psychology. First comes BA psychology, Delhi University. If you are going for distance education, IGNOU Indira Gandhi National Open University, NIMS University, Ambedkar University, Delhi or Parul University are some of the distinguished universities and institutions. When it comes to B.Sc psychology, Calicut University, St. Paul's College, Adamas University, Loreto College, Thakur College of Science are some of the illustrated institutions for B.Sc psychology. Friends, these are 7 such distinctions when we are going to understand the difference between B.Sc psychology and BA psychology. Question is very open if you are planning for BA or B.Sc course. Of course, you should make a decision and learn decision you should take after discussing with peers or seniors who already took BA or B.Sc course. Also, please have some discussion with your parents before taking a final decision. Both are very good formats of education depending upon your objective. Anyway, what course you are planning to take and what is the decision you made, please feel free to put in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.